Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Early Standard English A by Cantab Publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. Happy and sad. It's mean that by the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify and express happiness and sadness. So let's start the lesson. Assalamu alaikum students, how are all of you? All of you are fine? Good. I'm very happy today. Because my mother appreciated me a lot. Do you feel happy when your mother appreciates you? And I am happy today because today is my birthday. And I am happy today because my brother has given me a very beautiful gift. And I am happy today because I am feeling well, thanks to Allah. Thanks to Allah. And you know, when do I feel sad? I feel sad when someone shouts at me. I feel sad when I found someone else in a miserable condition. Sad, happy, sad. Here you can be bilingual and you can encourage the student to tell you that when do they feel happy and when do they get sad. And after this you can show the puppets. Look at here. She is Anural and Anural is very happy. And look at here. She is Munaim, but Munaim is very sad. Happy, sad. After this, you can go with these cutouts to your students and you can ask them to touch their cutouts showing happy mood and to touch the cutout showing sad mood. After this, you can create some situation and you can ask them to express their feelings. Are they feeling happy or are they feeling sad? After this, you have to introduce the book page of the book. You have to ask them to look at the faces and to tell you which face is showing the happy mood and which face is showing the sad mood. Finally, tell them that they have to color the happy faces yellow and count them, and they have to color the sad faces blue and have to count them. Thank you very much.